Day 14 is a wrap. All right. So, we made about $180 of profits. Took 4 trades. All 4 trades were small winners. It was a really slow day today. And I'm doing something special today. So, something that I normally don't do. I usually just post a recap and just kind of tell you about the day. But today, I didn't stream it. I was about to say I live stream it, but I actually recorded my whole entire trading session this morning. So right after this, you're gonna see the whole session this morning, and you'll see the live trade executions that I made. I had one trade that was pretty much going to be my home run trade. I didn't size up enough. If I sized up more, I mean, it ended up working out for me. It went from like $3.10 down to almost $2 this morning, and it's probably going to continue lower. But that was the home run trade. I only had 600 shares in it, and I got out a little early. And you'll see in the video, in the recording. But enjoy. Day 14 is done. All right, day 14. I already got a position going on right now. I am actually short SINT. This is a kind of like a newsletter play that seems overhyped, based off a coronavirus news. Yeah, stock skyrockets after upbeat data on silicon nitride powder effects on coronavirus. So typically, from what I'm seeing from this, is just a lot of hype. I could be wrong, but we're gonna go for it. So we're short 500 shares at 240. Just assuming that we're going to get a little bit of a fade to 2 before we open. Hopefully. And what kind of is happening? It looks like it's trading between 250 to about 230. So we're kind of in this consolidation area. And if we're here for too long, I may just take it off before we open. But that's the play right now. There's really not too much going on in the market this morning. Pretty slow morning, to be honest. But 240 is my position right now, and I'll look to cover some down in 2.
Digest 5 or 6 pills in my right hand. Codeine running over on my nightstand. Taking medicine to fix all of the damage. My anxiety the size of a planet.
Alright, looks like we're moving down. So we're breaking all this support in this area, so that's super good. Some bars down there. We're gonna wait. We still got like 20 cents away from my first target at least. I don't think just giving up here, taking it off here is smart.
Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. All you dream about it 40, I don't see nothing down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now the niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these niggas wasn't picking up the phone.
Alright, I'm gonna look for my first target to buy. 215. I may just take it all off here. It's a little risky. Uh-oh. Get some buyers coming in. Alright, we'll go ahead and buy it off. Alright, we're all out. Just quick trade. Oh, it came right back down. Could be a little impatient on that, but you know, quick trade. I'll take the money where it's at. Look, there's a lot of buyers printing up, so I just want to go ahead and take it off. Small profit. It is a little bit more expensive since it's short selling. Paying a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna wait till open. This may just completely skyrocket. Big float though. Not really liking that.
Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care. Let's just be friends before we rush into a label. Wanna know if you really for me, girl, what's your angle? It's only for the better if I'm trying to change you. Loving me ain't easy, if you leave, I don't blame you. Trauma got me fucked up, so I'm mentally unstable. I got wrapped up in my emotions, now I'm tangled. Deep in my thoughts and overthinking can get painful. Watch how I move, a wrong decision can be fatal. Hidden messages, conversations with my angels. Just walk with me and you will see I'm trying to save you. Most times I'm by myself, I'm still confused from betrayal. From rags to riches, shit still hard, I'm just on phase 2. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up from a dream to a nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you till you dead, that's when they might care.
Looks like Shell maybe might play here. Shares. Buy it.
Hate the criticism, he uses music to block it out. He was molested as a baby boy. Messed up his head, it even changed the way he played with toys. Up late night rapping and they told him to quit making noise. Stuck in his feelings, he been spending every day annoyed. He wanna stand over a nigga, leave his face destroyed. He miss his hood, now that's something that he can't avoid. Bonding over drugs and pain, dirty Sprite share. My dog was one of a kind, I know your type rare. I know life is a bitch and she don't fight fair. How the fuck I wake up
Shell
from a
maybe
dream
to play
to a
today.
nightmare? Left us behind, you seen that light glare. I know you walking up to heaven on them
Got
white
1 million
stairs.
volume
Why
so
can't just
far.
pull up to your crib and see you right there?
I just gapped up
Nobody love you till you dead,
over
that's
all
when they
time
might
highs.
care.
Wonder what the news is on this. Interesting. The fuck's the headlines on this? Looks like trash. No, there's no headline. So I guess just off no news. Just up. It's up quite a bit. Let's see, do I want to play this? Can't really short, there's too much resistance coming close to it. The 1 minute though looks pretty clean for a short. I'll just watch it. Watch it. Watch it. I just know it's something in my cup. See, look, SINT came back up. So it's tough. I mean, it's tough because we're 30 minutes to open and anything can still happen. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording and I'll be back at the open. Alright, we're back. Market's about to open. I'm really thinking SINT is gonna be my play today. Short. I'm liking the short here. Slow day in the market for sure. Nothing huge momentum. No like low float, high volume kind of plays that I'm seeing. So I'm gonna be playing this stock today. So I'm gonna look for an entry here. I'll put this down here. I think my starter position will be 400. Alright, I'm gonna start with 400 shares for sure though. Alright. So I'm looking to short the ask here. Gotta be careful because if it breaks over 3 it may rip. So I don't wanna get into this too early. It's not looking that strong. I'm gonna get a small position at 282. Alright, so I'm short at 282. Looks like we're already dropping.
Got an order at 266. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna let this work. I should really think about just letting this work, because I think this is just gonna be a short all day. I could be wrong. This could pop, but it seems like it's not that strong. And three is seeming to hold. Yeah, 3 is looking like it wants to hold.
Dis.
There is some resistance at 66, 68, almost 70. I mean support. So I am a little scared of that. Let's wait. Let's wait for the first 5-minute candle to confirm this trade for me. So if it does confirm, I will probably add some more. Alright, it's hitting that 66 level again. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off because I'm seeing some strong support down there. I'm getting a little worried. Oh no. Maybe I should have waited a little bit. There's also that 200 coming in, so I don't know if it's going to break that. And it may just hold that for a little bit. So. Some executions. I got it out around 273. It's not bad. We did break. Alright, well. Probably could have added instead of just taking it all off. We'll keep watching. I'll find another opportunity.
NVTA.
Oh, EVOK squeezed. And then came right back down.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock.
Spice is down quite a bit.
Caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, I house
See, the thing with SINT is there's like actual support down there. And I just don't like that. Even though it did go down below 65, 66, there's actual support coming through. So. Just wait for our opportunities. EVOK is crashing. Thing ran up and then just came right back down. Did not like that 5
RCL.
level. Huge rejection.
NVTA.
Probably gotta locate some shares for you, okay? Oh, that's pretty expensive. Alright, SINT finally crashing.
NVTA.
Good shit.
I ain't gonna get front. This shit sitting in the middle of the hood. I've been serving fiends, get my racks.
I may look at EVOK here.
Real time making that song. What? Yeah, for real? I'm about to go big.
Thing is, we got a
Can't spit. For real?
higher low, higher low, higher low.
A hard video.
Almost a higher low here.
Go do the video you got that ready. Got the vision. I'm gassing me up. Because you gonna be bigger than little eggs. You see how his video.
We may not even ever. And technically, that could be a lower high there, but that dropped so much right afterwards. We'll keep watching it. I don't want to say yes or no to any of it. Spice just tanked. 50 there.
NVTA.
I remember this time. This one's moving huge. This has all the momentum right now. It's this one. This is the one that can make you some money.
That was good. I just need one more. No, I need one more. No, one more. Trust me, please. One more. I swear, just one more. Eggs. No, it's exact. Change it up. Give it 35 mil. 35 mil, please.
Alright, I'm gonna look at entering this one.
Alright, guys. Last look, we're going again.
Alright, I'm gonna start her at $24.95. It's looking like there's some resistance at 25.13. Partial fill. So I have 2 shares left. Okay.
RCL.
RCL. I like MVTA, but I don't like that it just died. The volume just died. Don't feel comfortable with that. Oh, it starts to move now. That's so unfortunate. So SINT is holding its support. It's also it's in a channel right now, SINT. That spice coming back up. MVTA maybe short here. SINT breaking out. Interesting. That's what happens when that support holds, man. You just don't know when the move's over. Yeah, I'm still gonna look at SINT. I'm liking SINT for a short still. SINT. Let's see. Man, it came up, did its thing, and then just got shut down. Alright, it's looking pretty strong right now. Going to wait. It's looking pretty strong. Could get a starter. Nah, let's wait. Let's be patient on this. Patience. So you can get a starter and then wait till that 302 level breaks for a stop, but I'd rather actually just wait for it. Alright, we're looking like we're about to rip. The thing with SINT, it's such a high float, so it doesn't move that fast. It's more of a grinder. fly. Yeah, this one. See, I thought VTA was gonna make another move. I did buy. I bought it like 20. What'd I get in it?
Roku.
I bought it 24.95, and I just got out 25.10 for a small profit. SINT is finally starting to move. Oh wow, I think everything's starting to move at the same time. Yeah, this one's starting to finally go up. Maybe. I just don't see this volume coming in. MVTA. I'm not shorting it though. I don't know. I wouldn't. I'm just not gonna touch it. I like SINT still. SINT looking like it wants to break 3. Okay. Looks like we're riding higher on SINT. So that's good. I like this because I could potentially get a fill on my short, but this is looking pretty bullish. If you look at the 5-minute, it goes lower high, lower high, lower high. And now we're starting to make that move, break out over 275 area. Over 273, now over 3. Over 275, now over 3, I mean.
Roku.
MVTA looking like it's gonna collapse actually. It may not collapse all the way, it may just come down. This was the move though. This was the move for the bulls. This was it. You could buy this wash.
Pause.
Someone could have got this wash out and then just held it through, man. That's the move, man. That's a home run right there. Someone saw it. What's the news on MVTA? What's the headline? They create a global leader in comprehensive cancer genetics and precision oncology. Interesting. SINT couldn't hold that spot. Okay, that's good. So what's nice about this spot not holding is that we could look at this as a lower high. So from the 370, and maybe just need this consolidation area. So we'll see. I still want to see it before I take an entry. I don't want to chase it. Don't want to get it in now and then it comes back the other way, which would be tough. Because then it could break holidays and then I would have to stop out. And I don't want to take my first loss. We already have 3 winning trades. So I want to really, really make sure it's a clear setup before I take my 4th trade. But we have 3 trades and all 3 winning. They're all really small scalps. But 3 winning trades is good. Especially on a slow day like this. It's a pretty slow day. Nope, there goes the drop on NVTA. Ooh, that dropped heavier than I thought it would.
Pause.
Yeah, I was just kind of sitting there, overextended,
Roku.
wondering when the buyers were gonna just go ahead and take profits. All right, SINT is starting to confirm, so I'm probably gonna take a spot here. Now there's some resistance though. Ecstasy meant to be. Hennessy, sipping Hennessy. Ooh. I don't wanna lose my conscience drinking all this Hennessy. Oh, never mind. It's starting to move up again. We're gonna see that 3 level again. Let's see what it does. I could definitely take a starter here. And risk based off of the high of 315. So I'm gonna go ahead. I got a starter. Got a starter for 300 shares. My average position's 295. And I will add to my position on the confirmation. Now I got my hand on the trigger to cover this as a loss if it breaks the high of day over here. So it's a starter. It's not a big position. It's not going to lose me much if I do have to stop out. So 3 is starting to push. And it is a little scary, but it could get rejected here. The volume is starting to come in. Alright, let's see. .305 is testing, 308. Alright, we're going to probably have to look at this carefully, because it is starting to show some strength. And the worst thing is giving some money back to the market. You never want to do that. Alright, looks like it got rejected. We may try it again.
Pause.
Alright. Rejected again, it looks like. 2 rejections. See what happens again. This is the 3rd time it's trying to move up, push towards 310-15 area. So 3 times. It's kind of giving up. I'm feeling to give up on it. Nice. It's coming back down. So I feel to give up on it. It did not. So if you see this graph right here, it did not push past it, and it tried it 3 times, and now it's just kind of like slowly falling down. And it's like, I give up. It's feeling a little weak. So right now it doesn't confirm the trade, so I'm not going to add to my position. But what this is saying to me is that this feels pretty weak. So we tried testing up here twice.
Hold.
1 big move, push down, push again. Now we're kind of. It seems like we could be in fade territory. Just start fading. So I will add to my position if we start moving. So what I'm looking for now, though, is a confirmation of this trade. So, like, yeah, this is like a double top. Boom, boom. Now I really need this to get below this this low right here. 281. So I want 281 to break. 281, 280. So I just want the confirmation of this trade to actually be good. I need it to be valid. So we do have support there, and I see that. There is support. There is support at this bottom right here. And we are testing it. So I need this double top to then break this bottom. So we'll see. Looks like we're not breaking this bottom. And I'm not going to take it off yet. This is the time period where things will start to fade all day. But I do want a confirmation, because if I don't get this confirmation, I definitely won't add. But then I gotta start deciding whether I just take it all off. Because I really haven't had one trade that really worked out. I had a couple small ones. On off, on off. And this is fine. This come down and then this little pullback is fine, because as long as we don't break again the high, we're in good territory. So we'll keep watching it. MVTA. I'm just curious. I was just curious.
NK.
All right, nice. Look at it. It seems like there's some lower resistance coming down, because it just keeps kind of channeling down. So I am going to, let's see. I really want to short this below 80. All right, I'm gonna add. Ooh. Alright, I'm adding some more to my short at 275. So I have 600 shares now. At average price of 285. letting this trade work now, because now we're breaking that double bottom low. And we wanted to see this fade. Let this work. I'm feeling pretty confident about this trade, because all the confirmation has been triggered. So now I just want to see this just slowly tick tock down. So you can see right here this chart. And then if we get below, so we're below the yeah, so we're red to green line. We have crossed the red to green line, so we broke through it. I just want to see it go below these lows over here, around 250. So 250 is going to be our next like level of resistance. I mean support. So we'll see how it reacts to 250. $250. Let's see.
NK.
And I may have to take this off at 250. I mean, it may just be one of those things where it's 250 and bounces and then it comes right back up. But I really want to see how it reacts to 250 before I make any like mental decision. It's having some struggle here. So we'll see. Just gonna keep an eye on it. I don't want to get too angsty and take it off too early here, because we haven't even given it a shot yet. It's a 50 there. We are below VWAP, which is good news. All right, there we go. Let's move down. $266 level, man. It's not a lot of buyers down here. Oh, we're cracking through. Okay. Some shorts need to cover, you know. Some shorts need to cover. Let's get below 262, 263. So we're seeing we're definitely seeing a bottom here at 260. All right, we may come back up here for a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And this could be an anticipation of like not liking this higher low that's about to form, and I really wanted to see that crack. Now, will it crack later? Maybe. And if it does, oh well. I still made a nice profit off it because I was able to get in here and just slowly short it. And then I added when I saw confirmation. But I think that's it for today, man. $225 today. Not a bad day. And all shorts. All shorts. Small buy right here. But not a bad day. I'll take it. I will take it. Alright, I'm off.